Even with all the leaks and speculation around Apple's foldable plans, we're still looking at least another 6 months before anything actually arrives. Meanwhile, Huawei has already stepped up and unveiled the world's first large-format foldable phone. No long teaser campaign, no endless rumor cycle, just a straight release. And the moment you get it in your hands, you can immediately sense how much experience Huawei has built up in the foldable space. It might seem like they're just racing to be first, but in reality, they've been quietly refining features that make the device genuinely hard to put down.
A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from Tech Maiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our exciting tech content.
Starting with the design, Huawei stays true to its reputation. The Huawei Pura X Max carries a clean, premium look with a minimalist touch. The camera layout is symmetrical, paired with a ceramic lens ring that adds a high-end feel. There's a wide range of color choices too: bright orange, 0-degree white, interstellar blue, olive gold, and phantom black. So whether you prefer something bold or more professional, there's an option for you. The olive gold version I'm using strikes a nice balance, looking elegant without being flashy. It weighs around 229 grams, which is pretty much in line with standard flagship phones, so it doesn't feel heavy in daily use. Now, being called a large foldable isn't just marketing, it's actually a noticeable jump from last year's model, moving into a completely different category. The outer display measures 5.4 inches, while the inner screen expands to 7.7 inches. Both screens follow proportions close to an A4 sheet, which makes everything from reading to watching content feel more natural. Compared to the more square-like inner displays on typical foldables, this wider layout uses the space more efficiently and shows more content at once. Durability has also taken a step forward. The inner display uses a triple-layer composite structure, making it far more resistant to impacts than before. The crease is handled extremely well, almost invisible, and the hinge design avoids the typical water drop mechanism. Instead, it uses a rocket steel structure, which not only reduces creasing but also makes opening and closing feel incredibly smooth. On the outside, you still get second-generation Kunlun glass, so it's built to handle drops and scratches without needing extra caution. When it comes to everyday use, the experience really stands out. Once unfolded, the screen feels huge. Watching movies or shows gives you a 16:9 viewing area that's about 50% larger than a standard phone. For 4.3 content like short videos, the display area increases by around 135%, and everything fills the screen nicely without awkward black bars. Combined with dual speakers, the sound adapts whether you're holding it vertically or horizontally, creating a surprisingly immersive, almost cinema-like experience. Gaming on this device feels like you've unlocked an advantage. It's similar in size to a small tablet, but much easier to handle than a full-sized one. In games like Honor of Kings, your field of view expands by about 30%, making it easier to spot opponents before they catch you off guard. In Peacekeeper Elite, the wider perspective helps you detect enemies more quickly. Powering all of this is the Kirin 9030 Pro chip, which keeps gameplay smooth and responsive even at high frame rates, making the overall gaming experience incredibly fluid. For reading and productivity, the benefits are just as clear. The inner screen is perfect for books and comics, offering a comfortable layout where even flipping pages feels effortless. When it comes to work, multitasking becomes easier too, with more space for presentations and spreadsheets. PPTs get about half the screen, while Excel gains significantly more room. Stylus support adds another layer of convenience, making note-taking and annotations simple. Even when folded, the phone doesn't lose its usability. The outer screen has a well-balanced aspect ratio that avoids common app compatibility issues. It's ideal for browsing apps like TikTok or Xiaohongshu, offering a full-screen experience that works perfectly with one hand. In fact, it feels very close to using a traditional smartphone, just with a slightly wider and more comfortable view. And typing with both hands on this screen is surprisingly efficient. It even brings back a bit of that old-school Nokia nostalgia. When it comes to photography and creative tools, this phone really holds its ground. It features second-generation Hongfeng imaging backed by a 50-megapixel ultra-zoom main camera, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, and an ultra-wide camera. The main sensor also supports a 10-step variable aperture, which helps deliver sharp, detailed shots in both bright daylight and low light scenes, all while keeping colors looking natural and true to life. The X-Mage selfie system is especially beginner-friendly, with AI guiding your poses and framing so you can get great-looking photos whether you're capturing people or scenery. It even supports 3D dynamic shots with a cinematic vibe, so your photos feel more like moments from a film rather than typical tourist snapshots. On the creative side, the AI features are surprisingly powerful. With Huawei Notes AI Inspiration, you can turn simple sketches or everyday photos into fun memes, or even add creative effects to your outfit pictures. Even if you don't have any artistic background, it makes you feel like a designer in seconds. There's also a new app called Born to Draw, which comes packed with different brush styles, making it easy to add a creative touch to your photos right from your phone. Then there's Xiaoyi, the built-in AI assistant that quietly handles tasks for you. It can summarize long articles, explain unfamiliar terms, and even pull useful reminders from your WeChat chats like schedules or coffee pickup codes. You can keep it floating on the side of your screen or let it run in the background, and the more you use it, the more helpful it becomes. It really starts to feel like a personal assistant. Looking at performance and durability, the Kirin 9030 Pro paired with Harmony OS 6.1 delivers a very smooth experience, and it's designed to stay that way for the next 3 to 4 years without slowing down. The 5300 mAh battery combined with 66-watt fast charging gives you solid endurance and quick top-ups when needed. It also comes with IP58 and IP59 ratings, so it's well protected against dust and water whether you're caught in the rain or dealing with splashes. On top of that, Wi-Fi 7 support ensures stable and fast connectivity, even in places like underground parking areas or crowded concert venues. All things considered, what really stands out about the Huawei Pura X Max isn't just the headline of being the first ultra-wide foldable, it's how well all that innovation is actually put to use. It smoothly adapts across 6 different screen scenarios without sacrificing performance or camera quality, delivering a great experience whether you're using the large inner display or the outer screen. The interface is clean and easy to use, which adds even more to its appeal. Instead of simply chasing a new form factor, it focuses on refining the experience to a high level, balancing that sense of newness with everyday practicality, and that's exactly what makes it so compelling. I'll be dropping a full in-depth review soon, including detailed camera tests, so if you're interested, make sure to subscribe and join our tech community. As for pricing, the base model starts at 10,999 yuan in China, which is roughly 1,193 pounds in the UK and about $1,613 in the US. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!